If you're looking for quick money online and you are into cryptocurrency, then this is something you need to do right. So we have this arbitrage platform that is called cFollow, and cFollow is one of the few free arbitrage software out there on the internet. It's being managed by a community. And when I say it's free, it's 100% free. And what you'll be able to get in cFollow is signals showing you different platforms where you can be able to do arbitrage trading. I've been using cFollow for over 2 years right now, and they have been functioning all over that period. Now, of course, sometimes they do tend to go, out of service, but after a while, I guess they come together, fix it, and every single thing starts running properly again. So quickly, let's go ahead and see exactly what cFollow actually looks like. So what I'll have to do right now is just click on a pair, and the pair I clicked on is LTC USDT. And you can see Collo right now, they're giving you signals on where to actually trade this market. They will show you the price of the asset, where to buy it and where to sell it at. Now over here you see different exchanges where you can do this arbitrage on. And you can see over here in this particular place, there is currently no arbitrage opportunity, because even though the bot is able to detect an arbitrage opportunity, which simply means price discrepancy, where you can buy low and sell high. If you look properly, although you probably have never seen this before, but let me show you. This place right here in green is currently not showing any profit. That alone tells us there is no arbitrage opportunity here because there is no valid trade. And if you look at the markets right here, you can see that all the markets over here have these warning signals in there. This is to tell you that something is not right in all of this, right? So except for these ones, this Binance.us and Binance, and these ones, they don't really have much price discrepancy. You can see their prices are 97.53 and so on and so forth, right? So this is right here. Let's go ahead and look for another pair, since there is no arbitrage. Okay, so something just popped up, guys. So you can see quickly that we have something that changed over here. We have $5 profit, right? And it is leading us between Binance and OceanX. I just refreshed the page. That's what happened right here, and the price has actually moved. It's leading up between these two exchanges. Okay, so let's see what happened. Let's go back to that place and see exactly what we're gonna have to be able to do. Okay, so they've been brought up here. So we have Binance and OceanX. Yes, there is a bit price discrepancy as well over there, and you can do that if you really want to. Okay, so the amount of money to use to do this is about $110. This is just one LTC. It's showing you the trade over here, but I'm not gonna do this actually because I don't really understand what is happening with all those markets, right? So I have to be very careful with it. So what I'm gonna do right now is go to BTC USDT and hopefully we'll find an arbitrage opportunity. And also there doesn't seem to be any arbitrage opportunity here, right? So we have the same problem going on here. And to be honest with you, I do understand, because this is a community run stuff. It's not like you are paying anything for it. So obviously sometimes we might expect their platform to misbehave, and it's up to us to actually do further researches. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at XRP, BNB, and all right, so it's quite obvious that the problem is actually from the platform itself. I guess their bot is literally flagging a lot of exchanges as, warning signs, and they are not really giving out information on them, right? Because what is actually happening here is that the bot is currently not able to communicate with the exchanges to either get the percentage of the money that they are making within a period of time, or whether they are able to sell or receive cryptocurrencies, right? That is why it's causing these warning signals, and that's why it's causing no profit emerging right here. But that's okay. It's understandable. Sometimes this platform works perfectly well. Sometimes it behaves like this. It's actually a free platform to begin with, okay? So here is something we can do to mitigate this anytime we face a situation like this, okay? So let's say you want to trade, let's go for something like BTC USDT. So go ahead and type BTC, you put underscore USDT, and go ahead and click on that. It pops up the BTC chart right here. And fortunately, it seems like we have an open market in BTC, but it's only for the Binance US and Vindax. So not everybody is able to use Binance US, right? So let's see if there are other markets available. And they have Binance is available and CoinEx is available. So let's try Binance and CoinEx. So let's go ahead and choose Binance. So to do that, what we have to do is, we'll go to the revenue, and that's the revenue calculator, and we put in, let's say, Binance, and we'll see the current prices of this asset in Binance and see how much we stand to earn on different markets, right? So if you take a look, if you take a look at the one in CoinEx, you can see that they are making up to $30 in profit over there, okay? And in Whitebyte or whatever it's called, right, they're also making some money over there. So the highest paid over here is Binance US, but you guys know the reason why we're not really taking a look at Binance US, right? And this platform tends to be smart. Sometimes it gives you the one that will give you the highest amount of profit, but that doesn't always work out for us most of the time, right? Yeah, so that's basically how to use this platform. And back to what I was saying before I got distracted by the Bitcoin. So let's say you come to this market and every single thing is in red, and the signal, the warning sign is showing up and there's no profit calculator. All you have to do is to pick out two exchanges you want to use. Let's say, for example, you want to use KuCoin and Lbank, right? They don't really have that much difference in price. So let's see. The current price is currently 111,000. So anything above 112,000 and below 110,000 should not be something that we should take a look at, because it's obviously not working, right? So let's take a look at something like so let's take a look at, let's just take a look at the market in general, okay? I can't really pick out a market to take a look at right here. All of them have high prices in them. So let's take a look. Let's just go ahead and show you what to do. So once you've come to that situation, go to your CoinMarketCap and scroll and go to the cryptocurrency. So in this case is Bitcoin, right? So once you come over to Bitcoin, you have to head straight to the market in Bitcoin. Once you come to the market in Bitcoin, you can leave it all in CEX if you want to. Either is going to help your case, right? Now, quickly, you're going to be able to see all those platforms or all those exchanges listed. And over here in CoinMarketCap, you'll be able to get a live information, whether their trust or confidence in that market trading this asset is high or low. So you can see over here that all of them are high. So all those platforms that the cFollow platform is telling you that they are not trading, many of them are actually trading. Okay, just as cFollow is not reading it properly, and that's why it's giving you that signal. So you can see over here that you can actually even find the arbitrage opportunities right here. Okay, so you just have to be careful the pairs you're trading. Don't mistakenly trade BTC USDT to BTC KRW just because you're looking at the prices and they look enticing. Don't mistakenly do that. You will lose money, right? So the best thing you can do in situations like this is to trade something, let's say, between BTC USDT in Bybit for this amount, and then BTC USDT in OKX for this amount. You can see there's a genuine profit between them, right? That's how you do it, right? You can also see another one over here, BTC USDT in Mekatox for this amount. There is a genuine profit between them. So this is actually something I just decided to just add on top of this whole thing. cfollow can be quite disturbing sometimes, can be quite annoying sometimes, to be honest, but it's okay. It's a free platform. It's a community run platform. Not everybody can actually give out something like this for free, right? Yeah, so that's basically gonna be it. And I will have to, leave you guys to it. Go ahead and take a look at the platform. We'll probably might have to come back to this platform later on in the future when it is all cleared and performing wonderfully well. But for now, we're gonna be leaving this video right here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Take care.